What Rider-Waite Tarot Deck? The Rider-Waite Tarot Deck, also known as the Rider-Waitesmith Tarot, is a popular and influential deck of tarot cards. It was first published in 1909 by the occultist Arthur Edward Waite and the artist Pamela Colman Smith. The deck is based on the traditional tarot deck, but Waite and Smith added their own symbolism and imagery to create a unique and more accessible deck. The Rider-Waite Tarot Deck consists of 78 cards divided into two groups, the Major Arcana, which has 22 cards, and the Minor Arcana, which has 56 cards divided into 4 suits: Wands, Cups, Swords, and Pentacles. The images on the cards feature a combination of religious, mythological, and medieval symbols, as well as everyday objects and scenes, all designed to convey different meanings and messages to the person receiving the reading. It has become one of the most popular and widely used tarot decks in the world, and has been the inspiration for many other tarot decks that have been created in the years since its publication. The artwork and symbolism on the cards were designed to be more accessible and easier to understand for those who were not familiar with tarot, making it a popular choice for beginners and experienced tarot readers alike. It has also been adapted into various forms of media, such as films, television shows, and video games. The deck has become a cultural icon, recognized and appreciated by people from all walks of life. It has also been associated with various spiritual and mystical traditions, including Kabbalah, astrology, and alchemy. Many of the symbols and images on the cards can be traced back to these traditions, and the deck has been used as a tool for understanding and exploring these esoteric teachings. In recent years, it has experienced a resurgence in popularity, with many people turning to the deck for guidance, inspiration, and spiritual growth. The deck has been embraced by a diverse range of people, from artists and writers to therapists and spiritual seekers. If you want personal guidance or want to learn tarot, then contact my team. Detail is provided in the description. Subscribe to my channel to learn more. Thanks for watching the video.